In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your plan level on Shopify. Whether you're expanding your business and need more features, or you're simplifying and scaling down, understanding how to adjust your Shopify plan is essential. Let's walk through the process together so you can make the best decision for your needs. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the Settings option there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new menu where you can manage everything from your general store details to payment processing and sales channels. For our purpose, we need to focus on the Plan section. Click on Plan, and it will take you to a page showing details about your current plan. This is where Shopify provides you with a comprehensive overview of your subscription, including the price, billing cycle, and features included at your current level. To initiate a change, look for the Change Plan button. Clicking on this will present various plan options available to you. Shopify offers different tiers, each designed to meet diverse business needs, so take a moment to review which one suits your current business strategy best. Think about whether you need advanced reporting, enhanced shipping options, or additional staff accounts. Carefully consider what aligns well with your business forecasts and financial plans. Once you've decided on the appropriate plan, select it by clicking on your preferred choice. The next step is to choose a billing cycle. Shopify provides flexibility here, letting you decide how often you want to pay, whether monthly or annually. Paying annually might bring some cost savings, as Shopify often offers discounts for such commitments. However, if your cash flow varies, a monthly plan might make more sense by providing you with more flexibility. It's up to you to decide what fits best. And once you've selected both the plan and billing cycle, you're all set. Shopify will handle the rest. It will automatically update your subscription to reflect these changes, and you'll receive an email confirmation detailing your new plan and payment details. Just like that, you're done. Upgrading or downgrading your Shopify plan is a simple and straightforward process. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting that changes take effect immediately, so be prepared for any adjustments in your invoicing or service features. If you have any doubts or questions about the features of each plan, or need clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's support team. They're available to guide you through your options and help ensure your business is equipped with just what it needs to thrive. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope this walkthrough has made changing your Shopify plan both easy and clear. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.